Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I create handmade Beltane jewelry to celebrate the season. Let's do some magical crafting. Beltane falls between the spring equinox and summer solstice, when the natural world is blooming. It's typically associated with creativity, prosperity, hope, fertility, and the return of life after winter. Beltane is often represented by the flowers that bloom as summer approaches, and so I'm using flower beads to represent that, and I've chosen magenta and green as colors to represent the season. Beltane is also a time of fairy magic. Beltane sits exactly opposite of Samhain on the wheel of the year, and during both of those days the veil between our world and the spirit world is thin. It's a good time to connect with the Fae if you wish to do so. I'm representing the Fae folk with a cute fairy charm as well. I first create several eye pins out of 20 gauge wire. Another option is to purchase pre-made eye pins. I'll leave a link to all of the materials I use in this project below. And if you enjoy my DIY and crafty content, kindly leave a like on this video. I started by making a pair of earrings, beginning with an eye pin. I added my floral bead and my magenta and green bead, closing it off with an eye loop. Then I attach a fairy charm to one end and an ear wire to the other end. What a cute little fairy earring. I make 2 of these to finish the pair. Next, I'm going to work on the individual elements that will come together to become the Beltane necklace. All of the same beads are being used in the necklace as in the earrings, so that they create a matching set. Onto each of 6 eye pins, I placed 1 floral bead and 1 colored bead and closed off the other side. I completed 6 of these little links with 4 magenta beads and 2 green beads. The next step was to link the beads to create the front portion of the necklace. Here are my final elements for my Beltane necklace. I made 6 links and connected 3 on each side. Then I'm placing a fairy charm as a pendant in between on a pair of jump rings. Once the necklace elements are all linked, I measure them. I've created a 4-inch wide focal point. So in order to create a necklace that's at least 18 inches long, I need to cut 2 7-inch pieces of chain to complete the necklace, and attach them to either side of the focal group. To complete the necklace, I add a loop on one side with jump rings and a clasp on the other side. For each side, I make sure the loop and clasp are securely attached by tugging gently on the chain. And here is the completed set of jewelry. I love the way the necklace came out, and I think the pieces really complement each other. I'll be listing both the earrings and the necklace separately on my Etsy shop. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below. I hope this video gives you some ideas for DIY jewelry to celebrate the beginning of the summer season, and I hope you have a blessed Beltane.